Hello children. Today we will learn the chapter Food for Plants and Animals. Plants are a very important part of the environment. They are the only living thing that not only produce their own food but provide food for other living things as well. All living things are dependent on plant in some way or the other. As all living things need food, so do plants. But why? Because they also need energy to grow. Now, have you wondered how plants make food? Plants make their own food. The roots, stem, and leaves help the plants to prepare the food. At home, how does your mother cook food? Let's say she is cooking rice. She needs fire, say from the gas stove, to cook. Correct? Same way, the plants need the heat energy from the sun to make their food. Next, for cooking rice, water is also required. Similarly, plants also need water for cooking. Beside sun energy, water and minerals from the soil, the plants need one more important thing, that is carbon dioxide, that is present in the air. How do plants take in water? The roots of the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil and transport them to other part of the plant. Why are the leaves of the plants green? It's because they have a green pigment called chlorophyll in them. It gives green color to leaves. How is carbon dioxide taken in by the plant? Leaves have many tiny holes on their surface, which are called stomata. Air enters and exits through these holes. Let's see in detail how plants prepare their food. The roots of the plant absorb water and mineral from the soil and transport them to the other parts of the plant. Energy from sunlight is trapped by the chlorophyll in the leaves. Carbon dioxide from the air enters through the stomata in the leaves. By using sun energy, it converts water and carbon dioxide into its food. It then releases a gas named oxygen, which exits through the holes in the leaves. Finally, the food is passed to all the parts of the plants. The leaves of the plants play the role of the kitchen, where plants make their food. So, leaves are called the food factory of the plants. Which food do plants prepare? Is it fried rice or chicken biryani? No. It is called as glucose. By using sun energy, plants change water and carbon dioxide into its food, that is glucose, and releases oxygen. Glucose is a kind of sugar. So, we have seen how plants make their food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with the help of water and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis, where photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Children, do you all know that green plants are called producers or autotrophs because they can make their own food. But can all plants make their own food? No. Non-green plants cannot make their own food. They are known as heterotrophs. Moles and mushrooms obtain their food from dead and decaying matter present in the soil. Dodder or amarbeil is a parasitic plant with only a stem. It obtains food by twining itself around the stem of another plant and sucks water and minerals from it. Venus flytrap, sundew, and pitcher plant are examples of insectivorous plants. They grow in soil which is poor in nutrients, and hence they trap insects to get enough nitrogen. So children, today we have learnt how plants make their food and different types of plant. Thank you.